Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we've just hit 500 subs on the channel, so I'm really happy about that, and the channel's growing really nicely, and thanks to all those who have subscribed to the channel. But what I wanted to do was actually do a bit of a giveaway, just in celebration of the fact that we've made it to 500 subs, and so I wanted to give away to 3 lucky subscribers the opportunity to have one of these 2011 10-cent coins sent to them. So this is one of my favorite finds. I absolutely love finding 2011 10-cent coins because they are a low mintage coin, and yeah, they're certainly worth a lot more than 10 cents. But what I was hoping to do was that in order to run this giveaway, I was hoping that you would like and share this video. So part of that is writing a comment in the comment section just to say that you've liked and shared the video, and by doing that you'll be entered into the draw. So only one comment per person will be entered into the draw, but each comment will be given a number. So I'll write a number under your comment, just and that number will then be your random number, and then in a few days we'll get Google to pick random numbers depending on the number of comments. If there's only 3 comments, well then 3 of you will win, but if there's more, then we'll get Google to pick a random number between a certain set of numbers, and whoever Google picks, those 3 comments, who are the owners of those comments, I will send each of you one of these coins. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, I'm happy to send it anywhere. So please hit that like and share button, and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, looking forward to being able to give these coins away to you guys. So basically, I'll leave the competition open for a few days, and on Monday at 6 p.m. we will close off the draw, and that's Monday, March the 4th. So in a few days' time, and yeah, I look forward to being able to send these coins out. Alright guys, please hit the like and share button, and I look forward to allocating a number to your comment. Thanks for watching.